Welcome back, viewers. Now, one curiosity arose in my mind whether Ubuntu Studio can be installed on Bodhi Linux. As Bodhi Linux is based on the Ubuntu 22.0 for LTS, there are very great chances that the Ubuntu Studio can be installed on Bodhi Linux successfully. So let us try. So to install the Ubuntu Studio on Bodhi Linux, there is a command to install the Ubuntu Studio and on any flavor or any desktop of Ubuntu. So that same command we will try on the Bodhi Linux. So the command is sudo apt install Ubuntu Studio -installer. So first we will have to install the Ubuntu installer, and the installer will then install the complete desktop, that is the Ubuntu Studio desktop. Let us see. So at least up to this time everything is going on. So you have to enable the real-time process priority. Yes. It is getting installed. So nothing to be surprised. It should be like this only. But it will definitely surprise the end users. I'm not getting that much surprise because I know the packaging intricacies of Ubuntu and the Ubuntu based distros. So I had shown you how to install the Ubuntu Studio in Linux Mint. So same here, you can install the Ubuntu Studio here. So Ubuntu Studio has been installed in Bodhi Linux. Now you have to go in applications and search for the, where it is. Yes, so here in the system tools it is getting installed. So here you can see the Ubuntu Studio installer is there. So now I will click on this. It should start up. Yes. So what we will do is we will minimize this and let us bring the Ubuntu Studio installer on the foreground. The first thing that we require is we have to do the enablement of the backport. So that will bring, okay, this is PPA for backports of tools included in the Ubuntu Studio. This PPA does not have official Ubuntu support. So anyway, we can do this. We have to just input the password and it will enable the PPA for the softwares that are included in Ubuntu Studio. Let us see what happens. It is taking time or what? Okay, I think it is done. Yes. So the backports PPA has been enabled. Now okay, so we are going to add the low latency settings, the Ubuntu performance tweaks, Ubuntu audio, graphics, photography, publishing, video, wallpapers, and the Ubuntu Studio menu. Carla will also be there, and now you have to click here, install the selected packages, give your sudo root password, and everything is automatic. It will take 5 minutes time to install. It's very fast. And after the installation is complete, we will stop the video, and in the next video we will check out the actual Ubuntu Studio that was installed during this video using the Ubuntu Studio installer. So what will be the advantages of using the Ubuntu Studio in Bodhi Linux? Bodhi Linux is a very lightweight distribution and lot many packages are not there installed by default. It is very light installation. The desktop itself is very light and it has got minimum number of packages that are hogging the resources. So most of the memory remains free for your applications. So user applications can take advantage of the free memory. So the Ubuntu Studio applications can have more memory at their disposal while you are doing the content creation task. So this desktop is far more lighter than the Linux Mint. So in Linux Mint also Ubuntu Studio works wonder, but here I think it will be more wonderful because it is already very light system and Ubuntu Studio will work very good in this desktop. That is the Bodhi Linux Moksha Desktop will be a better match for the Ubuntu Studio. Let us see. We will check it out in the next video how the system is behaving. Okay, so the installation is complete. I will now stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out the Ubuntu Studio that was installed in this video and how it works in the Bodhi Linux Moksha Desktop. So see you then. Bye bye.